Fixing the beginning balance in QuickBooks Desktop can be very tricky, but don't worry, in this video we will guide you step by step to correct your beginning balance. First, we will create a journal entry to set your opening balance. Again, this will correct the amount you see in your begin reconciliation window. Go to company and select make general journal entries. Set the date to the correct statement and date of your beginning balance. Now select the account you want from the account drop down. Enter your correct opening balance, the debit column. Then choose opening balance equity. Finally select save to save your journal equity entry. Next, go to banking and select reconcile. Let's choose the account you want to reconcile. Enter the statement date and ending balance. The matches your journal entry. Click continue. In deposit and other credit, select the journal entry. The difference should now be 0. Once it's all correct, click reconcile now to complete the process. If you have an incorrect balance, use a report like the reconcile discrepancy, audit trail, or previous reconciliation. Report to find and fix the issue. Go to reports, then select banking and choose reconciliation discrepancy to see the transactions causing the problem. If you find a discrepancy, you can undo the last reconciliation and redo it. Go to banking and select undo last reconciliation. After that, close and reopen the reconciliation window. Alternatively, you can choose the ignore the discrepancy and let QuickBooks create an automatic adjustment. Click enter adjustment and QuickBooks will create a journal entry under the reconciliation discrepancies account. Now you know how to correctly fix a beginning balance in QuickBooks Desktop. By using journal entries and reports, you can ensure your accounts stay accurate and up to date.